Top 5 horrible celebrity meltdowns. 5. Charlie Sheen. In 2011, the highly paid Sheen made nasty comments about 2.5 Men creator Chuck Lorre, obviously getting off on playing with fire while acting like half a man. He was unceremoniously axed. In his unemployed state, Sheen ended up telling the world he's a warlock with tiger blood, and in the most mocked catchphrase of all, he was totally winning. Not really. In fact, Sheen had really dug himself into the career ditch of doom, but eventually he saw daylight. In 2012, he returned to TV in anger management. 4. Mel Gibson. In his first role as Mad Max, he calmly navigated post-apocalyptic Australia, disposing of bad guys without breaking a sweat. As William Wallace, he inspired an army at Stirling Bridge with his bellowing battle cries. Now Mel Gibson's fiery outbursts have landed him in hot water. In 2 obscenity-saturated rants, posted in their entirety on RadarOnline.com, Gibson spews racial slurs and threatens grave harm to his ex-girlfriend Oksana Grigorieva, but not before demanding a little action first. The latest Gibson meltdown comes nearly 4 years after he was arrested for DUI and reportedly made anti-Semitic remarks to the arresting officers. 3. David Hasselhoff. The meltdown, the cheeseburger, peeing himself on airplanes, generally being the worst drunk we've ever seen in our entire lives. His image before the meltdown was a cheesy, over-the-top singer and actor that couldn't really do either all that well, but hey, he's big in Germany. We don't think David's image was impacted that much by his meltdown because no one ever really took him seriously in the first place. We'd be shocked if anyone was surprised to learn David was caught on video rolling around shirtless on his bathroom floor, too drunk to eat a cheeseburger. 2. Amanda Bynes. The young actress's 2013 was a roller coaster, unparalleled in the history of celebrity meltdowns. All in that 1 year, she shaved her head a la Britney, high on drugs she threatened suicide, she tweeted nasty, angry things to various celebs saying they're ugly, she threw a bong out of a 36th floor window, she wore a crazy blue wig to court, and she set a driveway on fire. And that brings us to New Year's. In 2014, Amanda came up with more ridiculous tweets, as well as more made-up claims of sexual abuse. We wish her happiness, far, far away. 1. Britney Spears. On February 16, 2007, the Gimme More singer infamously shaved her head at Esther's hair salon in Tarzana, California. Days later, she shocked the world by furiously attacking a paparazzi's car with an umbrella. That following July, the pop star offered up a bizarre explanation for her violent behavior. I was preparing my character for a role in a movie where the husband never plays his part, so they switched places accidentally, she wrote on her website. I take all my roles very seriously and got a little carried away. Unfortunately, I didn't get the part.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.